The second edition of the Kelvin Cinema Festival commenced with a spectacular ceremony marking a triumphant comeback to the world of cinema in the post-pandemic era. Minister of Information and Public Relations Dr. Ampreen Lingdor graced the occasion as the chief guest, accompanied by Minister of Revenue and Disaster Management Kerman Shulla as the esteemed guest of honour. Embracing the theme Women and Environment, the festival proudly introduced an all-women jury. This three-day cinematic extravaganza will conclude on November 11th.
This traditional relationship with our immediate nature is often jeopardized with the pressures of modernization and modern day living. Thank you so much, the Kelvin Cinema, for the commendable effort that you have put in to allow for the screening of so many films. I've seen the list of films here and must appreciate all the people behind the success of the very fact that these films have been able to see their logical conclusions.
During the winter session of JHATC